Hello everyone, welcome back to AG Blend. I'm Gio George. Today I'm going to share with you guys a small upgrade for your home. When you leave the house in the morning, you see your outside lights are on. Sometimes you come back home and turn it off, sometimes you don't. So wasting electricity, also wasting money. Also, when you leave out of town, you turn the lights on, you don't turn it back off until you come back. So the most of the time the break-in happens on that time. So the people think there is nobody home. If you have a timer switch, you could do like a multiple time setup on your timer switch. That way people think somebody will be home. So it is always a good thing to have a timer switch in your home. Alright everyone, so I'll be installing BN Link 7-day digital wall timer. So I'll show you how to install it. So the tools you need an electric tester, wire cutter and flathead screwdriver. So before you do anything, you need to make sure your hands are dry, wear a shoe or sandal, don't be on barefoot. Alright everyone, so there is a 5-wire comes on the timer switch. There's a blue is a 3-way switch. You don't have to use this one. You need to concentrate on these 4 wires. The green is ground, white is neutral, black is hot wire, and the red is a load wire. Next thing you need to find your circuit breaker. Open the circuit breaker box and read on this side. It says which room breakers are here. Now find the breaker and turn the breaker off. Mine is 35, so I'll be turning it off 35. So the next thing, you need to take all the screws off, all 6 of them. I already have a timer switch here. My son broke this one, so I had to replace this one. Now you need to take one screw from here, one screw is on the bottom. Both of them, take it off. Now pull it out. Now use the electric tester and test the power. See, there's no power. It's safe to work on it now. So you're gonna have 4 wires. One is the green, that's a ground. One is a blue, it's a 3-way switch. You don't need to use this one. And one is a hot wire. This is a hot wire. This one is close to the load. The red wire is close to the load. So if you don't know exactly how to do it, the easy ways to do it, you take the new switch and match the color. So the blue one is 3-way bulb, so you don't have to use that one. So I'm gonna just cut it off. Just to be safe, I just put the plastic cap on it so it won't get shot. Now put all the wires back into the box. Now you need to tighten both screws. Now you need to put the cover back. Now put all the screws in. Don't tighten too much. It will put too much pressure, it will break. Now you need to turn the breaker on. Now let's go set the timer. To set the timer switch, open the box, press the reset button, press the program button 2 times, set the current time. Set the current time and the day. Today is Tuesday, so I'll be selecting Tuesday. So 7:15 p.m. Tuesday, program it. And the one, I will put day Monday, on time, 6 p.m. On time 6 p.m. Program it. And off time, I'm gonna be doing 12 a.m. Program it. And second, Tuesday, on time, 6 p.m. (6 p.m.) program it. Off time 12 a.m. 12 a.m. Program it. 6 p.m. on time. Program it. Off time, same thing. Sunday, 12 a.m. Program it. So you have to choose everything manually. When you're done with everything, close this. This is the current time, Tuesday 7:22 p.m. It says off main. Now you need to hold the on button for a second, then it will turn into auto. Here you go. Now it's all set, all done. Alright everyone, I just want to give you one more information. If you are in the US, some of the switches comes in color coded, but some of the switch doesn't. Means, you see, the hot wire and the load wire comes in black, so you may get confused like which one is which. So the easy way is to find, if you put the switch like this is on off position right now. So see the power right there? On off position, that's the wire comes hot wire. And the top one, see, there is no power. But when you turn the lights on, see, there is a power right there. So right now the both side has power. When you off it, on the bottom has a power. See, the top one doesn't have no power. So the top one is a load wire and the bottom one is a hot wire. So you need to mark with some kind of tape or something. That way it's easy for you to, figure it out which is what. So I am in the US. In the US, the hot wire comes on the bottom and the load wire comes on the top. If you're on a different country, it may change the position. So you need to make sure how to work on it. Also, there is an easy way. Just cut the hot wire first, connect that one, then you cut the load wire. That way it's easy for you to figure it out which one is which. Otherwise you may get confused, then you don't know which one is a load wire, which one is a hot wire. So always do one at a time. So I'll be connecting my other timer switch, the one my son broke it. I already fixed it, so it was a simple fix. So I'm going to connect that one for my garage door light. Alright everyone, this is the final installation. Alright everyone, so I bought this product from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description. It's only $16. You could buy this product from Home Depot or Lowe's. Also, it's take like maybe 15 to 20 minutes if you're an electrician to install this product. But if you are not, it will take like maybe 20 to 30 minutes. Even if you take 40 minutes also, it's worth doing it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Until I see you next time, stay blessed.